Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Roblox account manager on your PC or laptop. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First open up your any browser and in the Google search box just type the Roblox account manager, just search for it and now the GitHub website will open up. In the top just click on the GitHub website and now it will redirect you to the Roblox account manager link. Scroll down and simply click on the Roblox account manager you are seeing on your right hand side, and in the assets you will see the Roblox account manager zip file. So you need to just click on the zip file. So once it was downloaded, you need to just drag and drop this into your desktop. So once you drag and drop it, you just need to right click on your zip file and then simply click on the extract files. First, you need to create a folder which has the name the Roblox account manager. Then you can simply right click on your zip file, click on the extract files. Then you can simply go to the desktop, select the folder you created. After that, just click on the OK. Now it was extracted to your folder. So you can simply open up your folder. Now you can just open up the Roblox account manager, and once it was open it will extract some files. So you need to just wait for it, and if you want to give your password, just simply click on the password lock, and if you don't want, click on the default encryption. Then here you can simply wait for it to download the Chromium completely. Then you can simply add the account and place the ID of the game, and then you can start playing in the multiple accounts on the Roblox account manager quickly. And guys, this is how you can download and install the Roblox account manager on your PC. And guys, if you found this video helpful, so please like it, and because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.